Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best emergency radio for your peace of mind. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Prunus 924. Let's get started. Product feature: massive 10,000 mAh battery. This radio features a substantial 10,000 mAh battery that acts as a dependable power bank, allowing you to charge your phone and stay connected with loved ones even during the longest power outages. Critical SOS alarm. Safety is at your fingertips with a dedicated SOS button that emits a loud distress signal and a flashing light, ensuring you can attract help quickly during wildfires or if you ever find yourself lost outdoors. Complete NOAA coverage. Stay informed with access to all 7 NOAA weather stations, providing accurate forecasts and disaster alerts without the need for internet or electricity, keeping you one step ahead of the storm. Multi-band tuning. Beyond emergency alerts, you can enjoy music and news via FM, MW, and SW bands, offering a wide range of entertainment and vital information to keep your spirits up during any outdoor adventure. Adventure-ready design. Built for portability, its compact size fits easily in a backpack, while the adjustable wrist strap and integrated compass help you maintain your orientation when exploring off the beaten path. 5 powering options. You'll never be without power thanks to 5 charging methods, including USB-C fast charging, a solar panel, a hand crank generator, and a backup option using 3 AAA batteries for total reliability. Dual light sources. Navigate the night with a 230 lumen high brightness flashlight, or use the solar-powered reading light for a gentle glow that automatically turns off when the panel is closed to preserve your battery. Pros. The peace of mind this device offers is truly priceless. We love how the massive battery ensures your communication lines stay open when it matters most. Having 5 different ways to charge means you are never left in the dark, and the clear audio from the weather bands makes it a reliable companion that genuinely prioritizes your family's safety and well-being. Cons. While the solar panel is a wonderful eco-friendly feature for emergencies, it does require quite a bit of time to fully charge such a large battery. The hand crank is also a fantastic backup, though it requires a bit of a workout if you need to generate a significant amount of power quickly. Final thoughts. Choosing a tool that protects your family is a deeply personal decision, and this radio feels like a true friend in times of need. It's more than just electronics. It's a lifeline that brings light, information, and a sense of security to your home or campsite. When you feel prepared for the unexpected, you can truly enjoy your adventures with a heart full of confidence and calm. Your safety is the top priority. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Triplezon, and like this video for more helpful guides. Stay safe out there.